National Guard soldiers from across the country flew down to Marana, Arizona this past week to participate in the inaugural gunfighter fly-in competition. 7 National Guard states sent their best Apache crews for a 4-day event, assessing their know-how and cohesiveness as a team. The aviators competed in various realistic scenarios, including a flight simulator and live-fire shoots. With so many diverse teams coming together, the takeaway for the crews was immeasurable.
This gunfighter fly-in, it's nothing but attack pilots bringing everybody's experience together, everybody sharing that knowledge amongst each other and making you just a more effective attack pilot.
And while most aviators are competitive in nature, for these pilots it was all about the education and camaraderie.
When it comes to the competition, that's great. But really the biggest bonus is learning from what's been up there, and when they're grading those tapes, that's the opportunity to learn and to really take something away to make you all a better aviator in attack.
For the Arizona National Guard, I'm Specialist Chris Alcocer.
Chief Warrant Officer 2, Lucas Pinnell, loves to fly.
It's something that I have a passion for.
It's something he's done his entire life.
I grew up flying, my family's been flying, and my dad's a flight instructor, so it kind of was, I guess, in my blood, per se.
He doesn't just pilot any old aircraft, though. He flies the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. The type of support CW2 Pinnell provides keeps the enemy at bay and soldiers safe.
Our job is to provide quick and lethal, decisive fires upon request from the ground force commander, as well as a presence in the area for any patrols or any operations. It's been a pleasure to be able to provide aerial security during convoy missions, as well as close combat attacks during engagements that the ground force has been in with the insurgents.
Senior Airman Evan Mills, Forward Operating Base Kunduz, Afghanistan.
The Army had proposed through its Aviation Restructure Initiative a plan that was endorsed by the Department of Defense.
That plan is to transfer all Apache aircraft from the Army National Guard into the regular Army. That's one of a multitude of topics that the National Commission on the Future of the Army, or NCFA, examined and provided recommendations on. General Ham commented that this was perhaps the most polarizing issue the Commission looked at.
And the one that we settled upon that we believe best meets the needs of the nation and of the Army is one that retains 24 Apache battalions in the Army. 20 would be retained in the regular Army, and 4 Apache battalions would be retained in the Army National Guard.